Matillion ETL version 1.64 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we're going to show you what's new. Coming in Matillion ETL for Snowflake version 1.64 is an update to the zero copy clone feature, called Run Job in Clone. This allows you to run any transformation or orchestration job using a cloned database, automatically cloning the active environment and underlying database, then running the job against the cloned environment. To run a job in clone, right-click on the job canvas you want to clone and select Run Job in Clone. Then you can specify whether to delete your clone environment and database if the job runs successfully or fails. Then click OK. The clones can be deleted upon success or failure, or the clones can be retained for investigation. Jobs run in clone will appear in the Tasks tab, allowing for the monitoring of long-running clones, jobs, and the details of the respective runs. A new version of the Splunk Query connector is available in Matillion ETL version 1.64. Due to changes in the Splunk API tables, fields, and metadata, we have versioned our component to avoid introducing failures to customers using older API versions. Also, in Matillion ETL 1.64, a new version of the Shopify Query connector has been released. The update to the Shopify Query connector has changed the default API version to 2021-10 instead of 2020-10 to keep up to date with Shopify's changes to their data model. Another change in Matillion ETL version 1.64 is the Gmail query component has been updated to include a new parameter, data schema. Users can set this to either IMAP or REST. The calculator component has been updated to include a grid variable dialog as an alternative to the expression editor. This can be accessed through the calculations property and by selecting Use Grid Variable. The next update is an implemented idea from the Matillion community. The Manage Schedules dialog has been improved to allow for easier navigation. When you click into a schedule's task info, a separate task info dialog now opens. Click OK to close this task info dialog to return to Manage Schedules. Another implemented idea from the community is null values in Matillion ETL are now displayed italicized, capitalized, and with a grey text colour. This change is to avoid confusion where a non-null value is null, for example if the value is the word null as opposed to the value of null. Git support has been extended to shared jobs, and is now available in both orchestration and transformation jobs. The new Shared Job Git API endpoints available are switch commit, delete branch, get state logs, create branch on current commit, and get remote URL. For Matillion ETL for Redshift, the Avro file format is now available for the following components: create external table output, and rewrite external table. And on all platforms, the Google AdWords query component is now disabled. The component was deprecated in version 1.62. That's what's new with Matillion ETL version 1.64. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest releases, and for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.